Quick Site Setup is a function that enables installers to streamline the process of creating an account, adding a device, upgrading devices, and configuring on-site using ShineTools. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Quick Site Setup for SPM SPH 10000TL-HU. Please download the latest ShineTools from the App Store. Make sure that the ShineTools version is version 3.5.5 or above. Add account, add plant, add device, equipment upgrade, network configuration, system configuration, installation information. Log in to the installer account. Download the latest firmware. Click on the icon in the top right corner and choose Quick Site Setup. You can create a new account and fill in the appropriate information, or use the existing account if you already have one. If you do not have planned or want to create a new one to add device, please fill in the information. If you want to add device to the existing plant, please select it. There are 3 ways to add device. Use the camera to scan the QR code on the data logger. Use the SN QR code image from the photo album. Manually enter the relevant information. Waiting for the Bluetooth connection between your phone and the inverter. In the Upgrade Equipment step, you could check the device's current version, latest version, and do the upgrade for both inverter and battery. You can use Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you use Wi-Fi, please select the Wi-Fi name and enter the password. You can configure the grid code, frequency, working mode, generator setting, and CT and meter setting on the Quick Setup step. Click Preview at the bottom to obtain the installation information of the system.